with another video. All right, but for real. So I'm gonna, my vision is like messing with me right now. I cannot see none of that. So I am going to do my night skin routine because my night skin routine and my morning skin routine differ. Because at the nighttime, I'm pretty much lazy and I'm just done. And it's like, we're not doing all that. Okay, after I wash my hands, I'm going to use a paper towel to dry them because I want like the minimal amount of dust to be on my fingers. I take another paper towel, I rip it, then I fold it into thirds. I'm doing a little tutorial. I take the alcohol and I put some on. Ooh, that was a lot. Sheesh. Then I kind of scrub my face with it. I also get behind my ears and behind my neck. So pretty much I do the second half of my morning skin routine for my night skin routine only. Basically, like that's the only difference. I only do half. So now I'm gonna tear another piece, fold it in thirds again. I can't wait to get my nails done. And this time I'm gonna put some witch hazel on there. And I'm gonna do the same thing. This is cute. Imagine with some little bobby pins. That's a different color. I should do some hairstyles. Now y'all know my favorite part, my favorite part, because this tones out everything, evens out everything. Like it just helps with the whole process. Is tea tree oil. Baby, I'm running out. So, but because it's nighttime, I'm about to go crazy. My skin is going crazy, so I'm about to go crazy too. We can both go crazy. And by going crazy, I mean I'm putting a lot of this on my face. This stuff will suck all the everything, and I don't even know how, everything out of your pimples overnight. That thing is gonna be gone, and it's gonna start healing. I'm not even lying to y'all. Without even popping it. That's crazy. So yes, I'm going crazy. So y'all see my face is about to look crazy. But prom is coming up. I'm not trying to have no complications, no skin complications. Like my makeup needs to go on flawless, everything. So if you want, this helps with the texture. If you want to get rid of the texture of your skin, you want to even it out, all of that, just follow up with my skincare routine because it dead be popping and it works. and it works. Like, but anyways, yes. And then I just brush my teeth. Now that that's done, I'm not even gonna brush through my hair or anything because I want the curls to do what they're doing. But I'm gonna split my hair into 4 sections and I'm gonna make 2 twists. So one on this side, one on that side. I gotta put this big scrunchie because I don't got anything else. And I'm gonna just do the same thing to this side and just twist. Now, I usually do not, I'm not even gonna say usually. Girl, I used to braid my hair, my curly hair every single night on the cap, like to the scalp, just to make sure everything was detangled, everything was popping. And now I sleep without my bonnet on. Like, and when I do wear a bonnet, everything is still out. Like, I don't twist it, I don't braid it, no protective styling. I just take a scrunchie, put it up, put my scarf on, put my bonnet on. Like, but I care now because I'm getting tired of having to do so much work in the morning with my hair. Now I'm going to take my earrings out because my earrings irritate me when I go to sleep. Like, they irritate so much because they stick into me, like right there. I know some of y'all gotta know what I'm talking about. Now I'm gonna put my scarf on, and what I'm gonna do is make sure the hair is behind both your ears. Wow, I look like a little girl. And just go straight back and secure it. Then I'm gonna move the twist to the back like this. Take my bonnet and I'm gonna go from the bottom and put all of it inside. So yes, this is how I go to sleep. And that concludes my, what is this video? Dang, I said this was a nighttime skin routine and it turned into my night routine. But thank you guys for watching my video. I'm sorry I've been slacking, like I need to stop. I'm sorry I've been slacking, I need to stop. But thank you guys for watching my video. Please like, comment. Y'all commenting more and I love it, and I love it. And I thank everybody who's commenting more because I really appreciate it. Y'all know what I be chatting about, how y'all need to comment, and I can't even talk. But please like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you guys for watching.